DataPLUS Tour 1, Corrosion Information, Welding Data and more. Total Materia delivers the world's most comprehensive material properties resource and the ultimate all-in-one solution with an unparalleled collection of datasets and functionality modules which serve the global engineering community. DataPLUS is a critical supplementary data module supporting the hundreds of thousands of materials inside the Total Materia database, including corrosion information, joints data, information on dimensions and tolerances, and corrosion data. DataPLUS fulfills yet more challenges in finding comprehensive and reliable material information. Let's start by looking at corrosion information in DataPLUS. It's possible either to search directly for a known material or to use the tree filter system to find groups of materials according to specific medium. Additional filters allow for further refinement of your search to view corrosion data in a way that suits you best. In this case, we will first enter the material designation. We are searching for a metal alloy, but it is also possible to find information for non-metallic materials. Using the tree filter system, we can then specify our medium to find a manageable list of results. Please note that if the search parameters yield more than 1,000 results, more search refinement is required to generate a results list. From this point, it is possible to then see how many different conditions we have according to the search parameters. It's possible to use the condition selector to finally view the corrosion properties in detail, along with all condition details and references for this specific dataset. Let's move now to the joints module to see how we can find welding properties and general information for both materials and consumables. Using the drop-down, you can first define what you're interested in, whether it be the actual materials to be welded or the consumables which you plan to use in a specific job. In this case, let's take a look at a material which we want to weld. We can access the joints information through the main subgroup page and then get immediately to the data relating to this material. In the condition selector, you can find a wide range of materials which are commonly used in welding operations to the selected material. Clicking on Condition brings up the precise information relating to the electrode, welding methodology, and welding position. Scrolling down the page, it is then possible to see the properties information relating directly to the joint, including chemical composition and mechanical properties. By searching for consumables, we can find information for the filler materials themselves, such as welding methodology, joint geometry, shielding gas, and other useful information such as welding speed and heat input. From there, it is then possible to see a list of examples of materials which can be joined using this specific consumable. Clicking one of these options takes you directly through to see the information about the joint as previously demonstrated in the first example, and therefore completing a circle. Moving on to dimensions and tolerances, this dataset links through to critical material selection activities by allowing you to see what effective tolerances can be expected according to the product forms, their measurements, and their associated permissible variations. In this example, you see the depth of information provided, including dimensional tolerances according to different units of measure, and also tolerances which relate directly to product form. The coating submodule provides information on the important but niche area of understanding the data of coating materials themselves, and how they ultimately affect the properties of the coated material post-processing. The database also has information about specific materials and how different coatings affect their overall properties relative to the specific coating surface treatment. Here you have seen several ways to get to the DataPLUS data, and the last may be useful if you are interested in finding a range of supplementary information for a specific standard. Through our standard list, it is possible to see all related standards for coatings and dimensions, which will then lead on to allowing you to see information at the designation level. Key benefits of Total Materia include outstanding time savings, increased accuracy and reliability, and providing a common platform for repeatable results throughout your organization. Visit us at totalmateria.com to find out more information about our products and services, as well as the easiest way for you to experience the world's most comprehensive materials database.